Hi, my name is Patrick and this video is to tell you about the workshop that we plan to launch. There's a CAT24 workshop where we'll discuss shortcuts and also a lot of practice. So basically a last mile approach just before the exam. So I'm Patrick, 6-time CAT 100 percentiler, and I'm sure this will help you with regards to your approach. So what will be discussed, the contents? Basically the approaches and methods to solve questions faster. So we will look at different questions, approaches, and these are basically based on what has come in the CAT-B approaches. It will surely be helping you with regards to the CAT examination. If you can implement this approach, I'm sure you'll help. Apart from that, we'll focus on strategy. How to approach a paper with different strategies in different sections. Also psychology during the exam, that plays a very vital role in the exam. A lot of people ignore this part, but psychology plays a very important part whether you actually do well or not. A lot of people underperform because they're psychologically not prepared or they come under undue stress, and we will work on that. And it is conducted by me, Patrick, where we'll try to help you with regards to it. I've also scored 100% 7 times in DILR, so I'm fairly comfortable with the DILR section and I can help you with regards to the strategy for the same. So it is 5 sessions of 1.5 hours each, the workshop basically. Apart from that, we have practice sessions, ample practice sessions, which is 15 plus practice sessions that will be there. It will help students practice at regular intervals. Okay, recordings of the session will be available, so you can go to the recordings. And it will be held on weekday post 8 p.m. That's where the course will be held. So you will have ample practice and it will help you with regards to doing better as far as the exam will be concerned. Fees, 1500 for workshop plus practice, and if you want mathematics workshop plus practice, combined the fees will be 2800. So if you're interested, you can join for the same. You can go to a website called prep.patrick100.com, or you can contact us at 9821314788 or email to us at support@coinacademy.com. Right? All the best, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos that will help you with regards to your preparation. Thank you.